Alright, back here, Camp Hill again. Yeah, sorry, I missed one. I should have done a video on these. Okay, we've done our water, we've done our $2 coin. What we did yesterday afternoon, so I don't know if you can see it, it's very hard to see the grey between this grey and the steel. We have the Interplus 1180. I painted all the posts 600 deep in the hole. Remember, we only have to, we leave the concrete 300 deep off the top. So all the posts are all painted with the Interplus 1180. We've still got to do these four, which we made up today. They're going in on Friday. So we'll do those then. And there we are, all of them with 1180. And of course, over here on these holes in the footing, okay, now we've got to bring that concrete up to the bottom of the footing down there. So that's 5 feet down. I've got the post painted almost all the way, well it is all the way down there into the hole and up to above the slab. So we're above slab height on all three of those, as we are on all the others. So no problem there. And we use the International Paints Interplus 1180, which was when I talked to the guy who designed it or created the mixed the paint originally. It was originally made for putting on oil rigs, so it's actually able to handle a lot more than just under housework. It's a good paint. It lasts a long time. After 2 weeks, once it's on that post for 2 weeks, it's dried out properly. You can hit it with a hammer and it won't come off. It's really good. Right now it's too soft, it'll peel off when you hit it with a hammer. But give it time to cure, and it takes about 2 weeks to really get hard. And after that, yeah, it's hard. Alright, just want to let you know that. Make sure you've seen that we got the Interplus 1180 on all the posts as well. So that's happening here on this site. This of course is done for Meier house removals. And that's just what I do on every site I do. Okay, thanks guys, catch you again soon. Oh, if you would please, hit the like button and the subscribe button. It would be very much appreciated as we try and build this channel. A lot more stuff to come, a lot more different stuff happening as we go into recycling next year, doing e-waste recycling, and we'll show you a lot more as that comes along. Okay, catch you again soon. See yous.